Switzerland has a long-term commitment to development in the Great Lakes region and especially towards Rwanda since the 1960s, and has been doing development cooperation here, and it has been active in the construction materials sector. So for us, this Mpazi project is a further step towards the realization of a functioning value chain in the construction materials sector, towards the environmentally safe production of construction materials, and towards an urbanization in this region that is safe, that is environmentally friendly, and that is affordable for the local populations.
The ProEco program, one of its mandates that was actually attributed to SCAT Consulting Rwanda, is to see how we can transform the brick sector into a competitive industry. And in the past it was like an informal one, but today the ProEco mandate, under the ProEco mandate, is to create a sector which is competitive and which also provides employment to young people, but also to the women, especially in the rural area.
Je suis content et encouragé que tout le monde, hommes et femmes, n'ont plus de barrières technologiques pour faire part à la production de la brique suite aux technologies introduites par notre équipe. Donc après 5 ans avec SCAT, je vois le secteur se transformer, s'améliorer. Donc c'est un encouragement aux investisseurs femmes de saisir l'opportunité et investir dans la briqueterie moderne.
This is a very good opportunity for us through SCAT that comes in to support the local producers, building material producers, to improve their quality, improve their standards, and do more to at least address the issue of importation. So it's more of helping us to, as an import substitution, but also addressing the issue of Made in Rwanda. The agenda of Made in Rwanda is very critical. So this project comes in at a time when we can really capitalize on it and try to improve the development, the Made in Rwanda principles, by producing our own construction materials, and which are cost effective and can also be even exported out there.
A competitive industry does not just focus on building materials. It must identify and promote cost-effective construction systems. In 2017, ProEco constructed the Tafali Etage Swiss Cube demonstration house, a space-optimized housing prototype based on a modular and transformable urban construction system made of nearly 100% Rwandan materials, specifically modern bricks. The design of the house is based on 5 key features. Every home has garden access. It's paraseismic. It's safe in the event of earthquakes. At $200 per square meter, it's also affordable. And with few construction details, it's buildable by local construction firms. And the interiors, they're entirely flexible, which means that they can be changed over time according to budget, needs, and preferences. In short, the Swiss Cube is smart, sustainable, modular, affordable, replicable, and transformable. And now the houses built by the project, the Mpazi house, the Swiss Cube house, they actually serve a really important role for the project. They serve as the link between what's happening with urban development and the transformation of cities on the one hand, and then what's really happening with the local construction industry. And we realize, with the demand being so high, that if we're really able to organize the construction industry, we can transform this need, this pressing need for affordable homes, into an incredible number of attractive off-farm jobs that could really transform this country.
More affordable and better buildings in terms of the slums upgrading. We are using a technology known as low-lock board construction, which compared to conventional construction methods is up to that 5% cheaper. And once this is well demonstrated, in collaboration with the government of Rwanda through the Rwanda Housing Authority, we should be able to roll out the technology so that more private sector contractors, more private sector brick makers will be involved, and that way we will also be creating many local and permanent jobs or sustainable jobs.
One of the goals of the City of Kigali Master Plan is to have the city of affordable homes. In order to have the city of affordable homes, we need to have a free slum city. A free slum city, yet the entire area where this project is going to be or is implemented is an existing formal settlement. And we want, according to the city master plan, that we want to reduce significantly the unplanned settlement. And this model is actually meeting the requirement of the city of Kigali master plan, where we want to reduce the number of people that lives in informal settlement, that doesn't have clear and clean access to potable water and sanitation.
The model that SCAT and Proyeco is taking, they want to do with community participatory and inclusive approaches, is the right model that we need to take on if we are to address the issue of affordable housing and national and informal settlement upgrading. So we think it's the right time Proyeco use this project to capitalize on such objectives that the government wants to achieve.